Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get the Nexus booter for your device. So this lets you boot people offline. It's super cool. You can see the console here. So I want to get this guy, right? So what I do is I just press launch attack and it literally takes him down. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this for your device so you can boot people offline. Alright, so as you can see, target booted offline. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. You can read all about it and everything. So all you got to do is go to this site and then find it, press download, and before it downloads, it's going to be like a verification you got to do. It's pretty easy. You just got to download like 2 apps, follow instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, so at the end it says missing files, and this is where you gotta download the 2 apps. Doesn't matter which one, just do 2 of them. So like Travel Town says reach level 9, so it's like a game, so I just gotta play through this until I'm level 9. So I could do that one. So yeah, as long as you do 2 of them, guys, you should be good to go. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You can see we go back, got some more in here, DraftKings. So yeah, it's super easy to download. You get the video you can watch, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe if you want to see more videos about the Nexus Booter app. It is so cool. As you can see, all the settings can actually boot people offline, guys. So crazy. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about this. It's so cool and it fully works. So get the word out. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys later, and yeah, subscribe, get the word out. You can see right here. So it fully works, guys. So try it out. If it works, you guys can easily do this. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace out, my gang. This is so cool.